Want to create stunning AI-generated images in just a few clicks? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to generate AI images in Krea AI in 2026, from writing prompts to downloading your final artwork. So, let's get started. First, visit the Krea AI website and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, create a free account and wait for the dashboard to load. Once you're inside the dashboard, select the Image Generation tool. This is where you'll enter prompts and customize your AI artwork. Now enter a description of the image you want to create. Be specific about the subject, style, lighting, colors, and camera angle. Yeah, detailed prompts usually produce much better results. Next, review the available settings. Depending on your plan, you may be able to adjust image dimensions, quality settings, style options, or model selections. Click the Generate button and wait for Krea AI to create your image. Processing usually takes only a short time, though it may vary depending on server demand. If the image isn't exactly what you want, update your prompt and generate again. You can also experiment with different styles and descriptions. Small prompt changes can create dramatically different results. Once you find a result you like, use Krea's enhancement tools to improve image quality and increase resolution. This can help create sharper and more professional-looking artwork. Finally, download the image to your device. Depending on your subscription plan, you may have access to higher resolution exports and additional download options. And that's how to generate AI images in Krea AI in 2026. With the right prompts and a few adjustments, you can create impressive artwork in minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.